Welcome children in bio class. Children, today I am going to teach you about chromosomes and structure of chromosomes. Children, you have studied in the nucleus of the cell fine network of chromatin fibers are present. So this is the nucleus of the cell, and in the nucleus there fine chromatin fibers are present. These chromatin fibers condense into chromosomes during cell division. So when a cell is going to divide, you will see the chromatin fibers is going to condense, and after condensation it is going to form short and thick structure. So this short and thick structure appeared in the nucleus of the cell at the time of division is called chromosomes. There are two words in the chromosomes. One is chroma and other is soma. Chroma means colored and soma means body. So chromosomes are the highly condensed coiled chromatin fibers. Chromosomes, you can define, chromosomes are highly condensed coiled chromatin fibers. Chromosomes are self-reproducing, highly compact, rod-shaped, deeply staining structure which becomes visible in the nucleus at mitosis or meiosis. So this highly compact rod-shaped deeply stained structure which appear in the nucleus called chromosomes. Chromosomes carry hereditary material or the genetic information through successive generation. Therefore, chromosomes are known as hereditary vehicles. Number of chromosomes is constant in the cell. So when we are taking the cell, in that chromosomes are in constant in number in the different species. Chromosomes consist of two substance. One is DNA and other is histone. 40% of chromosomes is nucleic acid, deoxyribonucleic acid, that is DNA, and 60% is about a particular type of proteins that is called histone. So their molecules of, in this has shown there 8 molecules of histones come together and it form a core, and around that their DNA strands wind around. So this is forming nucleosome. So what is the nucleosome? Nucleosome is a loop-like structure. Their DNA strands wind around a core of 8 molecules of histones. So like this, a large number of nucleosomes are present, and this is the structure of DNA. When it is going to condense, after condensation it will form the chromosomes. In the nucleus of the cell, a large number of chromosomes are present. So these are the different chromosomes which are present in the nucleus of the cell. There are different types of chromosomes in the nucleus of the cell. On the basis of centromere and chromatids, there are different types of chromosomes like telocentric, it is the rod shaped with centromere at the terminal. So this is the telocentric chromosomes. In this rod shaped chromatid is there, and at the terminal there is centromere. Other is acrocentric, it is also rod shaped but with subterminal centromere. And third one is submetacentric, it is the L-shaped chromosomes, and there are two arms, that is the chromatids are unequal. And next one is metacentric chromosomes, it is the V-shaped chromosomes, there both chromatids are equal in length. So in this way we can say there are four types of chromosomes: telocentric, acrocentric, submetacentric and metacentric.